Hello everyone, welcome to the Lutèce Creations channel, dedicated to automatons and music boxes. Today we are going to show you some antique automaton animals created by the Decamps company. Just for the eyes. This automaton elephant dates from 1895. It is covered with a buckskin. This elegant walking peacock dates from the same period as that of the elephant. This beautiful bird is dressed in real peacock feathers. Its legs are made of bronze. The rampant panther is a fascinating automaton. Admire how supremely this automaton is ready to pounce on its prey. This animal is covered with a real panther or leopard skin. This drinking bear is an electric automaton. It is covered with a rabbit skin and is poured to drink continuously. Isn't that magical? This walking automaton horse is covered with a buckskin. It is still surprising that automaton animals were once considered as simple toys. They are now true collector's items. This walking automaton hen is covered with real chicken feathers. His crest is made of felt. She is able to lay 3 beautiful wooden eggs. And here is a running automaton pig, covered with a deerskin. He is truly capable of growling. Tell us in the comments which automaton animal you liked the most. Don't forget to subscribe and like.